Welcome to my channel. Here I will share my experience and take you on an extraordinary adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Have you ever heard about Lahat Regency in South Sumatra? This district is famous for its extraordinary natural wealth, ranging from dense tropical forests, charming waterfalls, to still strong cultural traditions. In this vlog, I will invite you to explore one of the tourist destinations in Lahat that you must visit. We will start the journey from the suspension bridge, then head to the coffee plantations, and finally, our main destination is CURUG Perigi.
A few moments later.
Our first stop is the suspension bridge, which is located in Desa Muara II, Kecamatan Gumay Ulu. This bridge is about 100 meters long. This bridge is one of Lahat tourist icons, which is famous for its amazing view. Here you can walk the bridge while enjoying the panorama of green and fresh. However, the suspension bridge that is crossed is quite challenging because beneath in the Lematang River flows with the onslaught of the wind ready to shake the bridge, so that visitors passing by will feel like it is swaying.
After crossing the suspension bridge, we have to go through forests and extreme routes. When we visit the Lahat district, it happened to be the rainy season, which caused the road together to be slippery, so we had to be more careful and also caused the waterfall to fall even more heavily.
So guys, I met the children who meet to the waterfall. Pak, semangat!
CURUG Perigi is located in the middle of a coffee plantation, so tourists who want to visit the waterfall can enjoy the view accompanied by views of green and reddish coffee cherries. For your information guys, this road is also access for local residents to the plantation location.
Known as the land of 1,000 megaliths, also has the potential for extraordinary natural tourist destinations. One of them is Perigi Waterfall.
Here I'll stay, my home, my people beside me, and when I think of tomorrow, there we are. I'll lead the way, I'll have my people to guide me, we'll build our future together. There we are.
This waterfall is about 100 meters high. The name Perigi Waterfall is taken from the name of the village where its waterfall is located, namely Perigi village. In local language, it is called CURUG Perigi. This waterfall is 20 kilometers from the center of the capital city.
This waterfall is surrounded by high cliffs and shady trees. The waterfall is clear and fresh, making this place ideal for swimming and relaxing. Because the current is swift and the rocks are slippery, don't forget to stay careful when you are in that place, so that nothing similar happens. Honestly, this hurts.
Guys, are you interested in exploring the natural beauty of Lahat Regency? Don't forget to include Lahat on your list of next tourist destinations, so you won't regret it.
That's the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy my journey and experience and gain valuable insight. See you on the next trip, and remember to keep living life with enthusiasm and happiness. Bye!